morning guys, it's Taylor. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing amazing. Summer is coming up quick, so you already know that I'm trying to get that summer 2021 bod in check. So today's video is going to be like a what in a day, but getting fit for summer edition. So we are talking health and fitness goals. I have some healthy recipes I want to share, and I'm also going to get in a workout. So definitely stay till the end of the video so you don't miss anything. If you do feel comfortable sharing, I would love to hear some of your guys' fitness goals because we are in this together, baby. So let's freaking do this. So part of the summer fit game plan is I'm trying to eat healthier breakfast. So I went grocery shopping yesterday and I didn't buy any bagels because whenever I buy them, that's the only thing I ever have for breakfast, and it's just not the most nutritious thing, obviously. So I'm trying to have more eggs and avocados because those have way more nutritional value, and I just think they're gonna help me get to my fitness goals so much faster. Basically, my overall goal is just to lose more overall body fat, get more like toned, grow that booty, you know, all that good stuff. So that is the plan. Okay, this looks freaking amazing. So I just did avocado toast with one fried egg on top. I also drizzled some balsamic glaze, and then we just have a side of apples with some peanut butter, some healthy fats and fruits. So this looks pretty fire. Cheers to a healthy and yummy breakfast. I'm also, of course, trying to focus on drinking tons of water, so I actually need to fill this up, and I'm gonna take my vitamins for the day, and I wanted to show you guys what those are. So the first one I'm taking is just a hair, skin, and nail supplement. I'm just gonna take 2 of these. Next thing I'm taking is just some peppermint oil. This like really helps with acid reflux, and it seriously has been helping a lot. Like, I haven't been getting it since I started taking this. Lastly, just some vitamin D3 for immune support. So it's like 1 o'clock now. I'm just making some pre-workout. I've recently been taking this Alani Nu pre-workout. I mentioned it in one of my recent videos. It's in the flavor pink guava, and I actually really like it. I feel like it's like a weird thing that kind of motivates you to work out because it tastes so good, so you kind of look forward to drinking it. Yeah, I've been really enjoying it so far. It just gives you like a nice energy boost before your workout. I actually do think it's been helping me have like a more mind-muscle connection, which is crazy, but I actually have been noticing that. So could be my mind playing tricks on me, but I really do think it has been. So yeah, just going to take some of this with some water. Yeah, today is leg day. We are focusing all on the booty. Past week I've just been focused on training abs and arms, but today I really want to focus on the glutes. So we're gonna go to the gym downstairs. I'm hoping that it's not busy. I'm gonna try to film as much as I can for you guys. Yeah, let's go. It's like 3:30. I'm getting pretty dang hungry. So I think I'm gonna use this egg salad that I made yesterday. It's really good and it was like a really healthy recipe. Also, I did freshen up and change. I'm feeling good after that workout, but now I am very hungry. It might not look the most appetizing, but it was freaking delicious. So it's basically just hard-boiled eggs mixed with Greek yogurt. That's like the healthy substitution for mayo, except I did add like a touch of mayo. And then there is celery, red onion, like salt, pepper, vinegar. Oh yeah, and some yellow mustard too. But yeah, very simple recipe and it turned out really good. I didn't know if I actually liked egg salad, so that's why I made this, and it turns out I do. So we're gonna have this for lunch. A very simple lunch today. I just put my egg salad on some rice cakes because I thought that would be good, and then I added some hot pepper flakes on top just to add a little bit of spice because I'm kind of avoiding hot sauce right now. So this is like what my stomach can handle. Definitely gonna have to have a snack later because this is a very, you know, light lunch. But honestly, like, what do you eat with egg salad? Like, I have no idea. Like, what is a side that goes well with egg salad? There is nothing. Like, I can't think of anything. So we're just gonna have something else later. Having a snack right now, just a bowl of popcorn. And I'm also watching some YouTube videos, chilling with Nella. It's a perfect night. It's like sunset right now, so it's so pretty out. But anyway, I'm getting distracted. I'm having some popcorn. This is like the perfect low-calorie snack. This isn't even the full serving, which is crazy because like look how much popcorn I have. I actually want to show you guys. Hold on. I should have brought it over here, but we're just gonna go grab it really quick. So it is Trader Joe's organic popcorn, and it literally has like the cleanest ingredients. So literally just organic popcorn, organic extra virgin olive oil, and sea salt. So freaking clean and simple. And the serving size is 3.5 cups for one serving, which is insane. Like, that is like so much popcorn. I've been loving this as a salty snack because it's so low in calories, so I just don't even feel guilty eating so much of it. And it's super yummy, so it is the best. So I just started making some dinner. I decided to make some shrimp scampi with cauliflower gnocchi. It just started so good, so I'm really excited about it. And I love that cauliflower gnocchi is just like lower in carbs, so that's super nice. But yeah, I did have to throw them in the oven. They're gonna be cooking for quite a bit. Like, this is not my typical way of cooking them. I usually cook them in a skillet, but the recipe said to bake them. So I just thought I would follow it and see if they are better that way, like the recipe says. So yeah, in the meantime, I'm just doing dishes and watching iCarly, like, what is even new? So I'm about to make the sauce for the dish. I had to take out the shrimp just to put on the side for a second while I make it. I'm first adding some minced garlic with the olive oil. It says to use a 1/4 cup of white wine, but I only have rice vinegar, so I'm just gonna use that instead. So lots of lemon juice. Now adding some cherry tomatoes. Wow, this turned out so good. I'm so excited to try it, and I'm definitely gonna cook my gnocchi like in the oven from now on because they turned out so crispy. Like, these are gonna be so fire. Oh my gosh. Guys, I am speechless. This is next level. I'm not even kidding. It is so freaking good. I will definitely have the recipe linked in the description because this is a must try. For dessert, I'm having these dark chocolate covered blueberries. You can get them at Trader Joe's. I couldn't recommend them enough, honestly, because this is like the best tasting, like low calorie dessert that I have ever found. And the fact that you can eat 17 of them without feeling guilty because that is only one serving size. Like, what? What? That is unheard of. They are seriously addicting though, so thank God the serving size is a lot. Yeah, if you shop at Trader Joe's, definitely try these out if you're looking for a yummy, healthy dessert. It's crazy how healthy meals can be that delicious. Like, I have had a very yummy day of eating, but I ate so good. Like, that is just so awesome. I hope this video gave you some good meal ideas and maybe motivated you in some way to take action on your own fitness goals. Like I said in the beginning of the video, if you do feel comfortable sharing, I would love to hear some of your guys' fitness goals too. So yeah, that is kind of my game plan for getting fit this summer. Just like reducing sugar where I can, and then also just like eating more whole foods. I think that's really gonna help me succeed, and also of course just moving my body more. Yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Best of luck to all of you on your own fitness goals. I know you can do it. It's not easy, but it is worth it. If you would like to help support my channel, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and leave me a comment down below and turn on your post notification bell. But yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.